We need to do something. You know what happened the last time you let a girl into the section. The main reason why we wanted JJ out of Section E is for her to not be another Ella. Someone who could ruin my friendship with Yuri. But here we are. And here I am. Nagpapaubaya.
Best friend tayo. Pero ngayon, mas pipiliin ko muna yung sarili ko. I'll fight for JJ.
No. Hindi okay sa akin. Engagement is not okay. Sabi ko sa'yo, I'll fight for you.